Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Chic Stylish Child, and I'm back with the long break, approx 1 month break from YouTube, and now I'm back with a tutorial. And the makeup is inspired from Jasmine Toker. She is so stunning and her wedding makeup is so beautiful and subtle and so chic. So I get inspired from her look and try to recreate her look. So hope you like this tutorial. Let's get into this tutorial. I'm starting with color correcting my face. I'm taking this LA Girl Pro orange color corrector and applying it over my hyperpigmented region of my face, especially on my forehead, as I get tan too due to my field duty, and I got lots of acne scar due to wearing mask all day long. To cover it up, I'm going to apply that specific area and blend it with Beauty Blender. And foundation I'm today is using from Maybelline Fit Me in shade Toffee. I'm applying dots all over my face using my finger and then going to blend it with a flat foundation brush. And also applying that foundation over my lid as a primer, so that I don't need a concealer or primer for my eyeshadow. I'm going to take this Puff Fill Concealer in shade 2, which is close to my skin shade. I'm going to conceal the spots which is peeking through my foundation, and I'm going to apply it directly and blend it with my finger using dabbing motion. For brightening up my under eye, I'm going to use two concealer from Maybelline. First shade is Caramel and second shade is Light. I'm going to apply caramel close to my eyelid, and for giving more whiteness, brightness, I'm adding small dots of light shade concealer from Maybelline and blending with damp Beauty Blender for giving more seamless and effortless look. For mattifying and setting concealer, I'm going to use this loose powder from Shivana in shade 2 and applying the loose powder using damp Beauty Blender to get more brighten up mattified look. For eye makeup, I'm going to use this Makeup Revelation eyeshadow palette, which has all neutral colors. Picking this warm orangey shadow and applying it above my crease area as a transition shade. Then picking this magenta mauve undertone brown shadow and applying it over my eyelid, intensifying that eyeshadow more on the outer V corner and the crease line. For giving more depth to the eyeshadow, taking this grey shadow from Shivana color and apply it over outer V of eyelid and also focusing on the crease line a bit. Back to Makeup Revolution palette, taking this bluish undertone brown shadow and apply it to the inner half of my eyelid. And also applying this transition shadow at the edge of my nose. Using Wet n Wild black eyeliner pencil, I'm going to draw classic eyeliner. And also smudging that liner with black eyeshadow. Curling my eyelashes with Vega curler to give more voluminous and lifted eyelashes look. And today I'm not going to apply any falsies, so curling is necessary for this look. And for mascara, I'm using Swiss Beauty mascara. This is my current favorite mascara at affordable price. For eyebrow, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. It has spoolie and also a pencil. Using this spoolie, I'm going to brush the eyebrow in upward direction, in natural direction, and then giving the shape with the pencil and filling the gap areas of brow, and again giving a brush stroke to give a natural finish. Now dusting off the loose powder with big fluffy brush. For sculpting my face, I'm using this bronzer from LA Girl Pro Contour. And the blusher today I'm using it from iMagic, and the shade I'm using is a little bit of orangey undertone. And contouring my nose as well using same bronzer from LA Girl Pro Contour. And for highlighting face, as usual, I'm going to use this Shivana highlighter palette for this makeup look. And the highlighter shade I'm using today is this peachy undertone highlighter shadow, which goes well with my skin complexion and give a natural tinted look. Lining my lip with brown shade lip liner from ATS. And the lipstick is from Attitude from Amway, and the shade is simply lilac. And for toning down the pink shade, I applied Makeup Revolution nude lipstick in shade Wow, and highlighting my inner corner of eyelid using same highlighting shadow and also my brow bone. Coming back to Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and picking this mauve shadow and applying it my lower lash line. Applying second coat of mascara to give more volume and lifted eyelash. And this is the final look. Hope you like this tutorial, and please give a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.